Tires are the unsung heroes of any car. They are vital yet frequently disregarded. The tires are what really connect your automobile or truck to the road, even though most drivers are fixated on engines, brakes, or sophisticated suspension systems. Whether you're driving down the highway, cutting curves, braking abruptly, or speeding off the line, every move is totally dependent on their performance and grip. You run the danger of losing control, comfort, safety, and fuel efficiency if you choose the incorrect set. When you choose the appropriate ones, driving becomes smooth, self-assured, and thrilling. How tires work. Understanding tires goes far beyond picking a brand name. It's about unlocking the science, design, and purpose behind each tire type. Tires are engineering marvels, carefully crafted with multiple layers, specialized rubber compounds, and intricate tread patterns that work together to grip the road. The tread, sidewalls, internal belts, and even tiny grooves all play a role in determining performance, comfort, and safety. Every tire is a careful balance, designed to maximize traction, durability, and fuel efficiency while adapting to different weather, road conditions, and driving styles. Think of your tires as the vehicle's shoes. The right pair keeps you confident, safe, and in control, while the wrong pair can turn every drive into a challenge. All-season tires. All-season and performance tires are two of the most talked about categories, each built for very different driving experiences. All-season tires are the dependable workhorses of the road, engineered to deliver consistent, balanced performance in almost any condition. They handle dry streets with ease, channel water away during rain, and even offer light snow capability, making them perfect for daily driving. Their medium-hard rubber compounds and thoughtfully designed tread patterns extend lifespan, enhance comfort, and ensure predictable handling. They're quiet, efficient, and cost-effective, ideal for drivers who value reliability over thrills. However, when it comes to pushing the limits, tight corners, sudden braking, or high-speed maneuvers, performance tires take the crown, leaving all seasons behind. Think of all-season tires as your reliable daily companion, steady and capable, but not built for adrenaline-fueled adventures. Performance tires. Performance tires, in contrast, are built for drivers who crave control, precision, and excitement behind the wheel. Crafted from soft, sticky rubber compounds, they stay flexible even under high temperatures, while their aggressive tread patterns are engineered for razor-sharp cornering and instant responsiveness. These tires excel in dry conditions, providing incredible grip, shorter stopping distances, and a steering feel that makes the car feel like an extension of your own hands. They allow drivers to push their vehicles confidently through twists, turns, and high-speed maneuvers, which is why they're a favorite for sports cars and performance sedans. The trade-off? They wear faster, consume more fuel, and sacrifice some comfort, while also struggling in cold weather and snow as the compounds stiffen and traction drops. Driving on performance tires is like strapping yourself into a race-ready machine, thrilling but demanding respect and care. High-performance, all-season tires. High-performance, all-season tires strike a smart balance between everyday reliability and sporty performance. They handle sharper turns and offer more responsive steering than standard all-season tires, giving drivers a taste of excitement without sacrificing comfort or tread life. Unlike summer performance tires, they won't deliver ultimate grip at the track, but they shine in real-world conditions, staying usable across a range of temperatures and light weather changes. For enthusiasts who want spirited driving year-round without swapping tires every season, these tires provide the perfect compromise, blending agility, safety, and practicality. Essentially, they let you enjoy a sportier ride without the hassle of constantly switching between summer and winter tires. Winter tires. Winter tires are a must-have for anyone driving in cold, snowy, or icy conditions. They feature specialized rubber compounds that stay soft and flexible, even in freezing temperatures, paired with aggressive tread designs that dig into snow and ice for maximum grip. These tires dramatically improve braking performance, cornering, and overall stability when roads turn treacherous. While they are unbeatable in winter conditions, they wear rapidly in warm weather and aren't meant for year-round use. Think of them as your vehicle's winter armor, keeping you safe and confident when the cold sets in. Off-road tires, all-terrain tires, are ideal for drivers who split their time between daily commuting and weekend adventures, offering reliable traction in rain, snow, and mild off-road conditions. Their tread design helps reduce road noise while still providing durability on rough surfaces. Mud terrain tires, on the other hand, are built for serious off-road enthusiasts who tackle challenging trails regularly. Their self-cleaning tread design ejects mud and debris to maintain grip in extreme conditions. While they excel off-road, these tires demand a trade-off in terms of on-road comfort and fuel economy, making them best suited for dedicated off-road use. Touring and run-flat tires. Touring tires are designed with advanced rubber compounds and tread patterns that reduce road noise and vibrations, making them ideal for highway driving. They often offer longer tread life and improve fuel efficiency compared to performance-oriented tires. Run-flat tires enhance safety by eliminating the immediate need to change a tire on the roadside after a puncture. This added security is especially useful in high-traffic or unsafe areas. However, their reinforced construction can result in a firmer ride and higher replacement costs. Performance truck and SUV tires. These tires feature wider contact patches and specialized tread compounds to improve cornering, braking, and acceleration on paved roads. Stiffer sidewalls help reduce body roll, giving large vehicles a more confident and controlled feel at higher speeds. Many performance truck and SUV tires are optimized for wet road grip, enhancing safety during sudden stops or sharp turns. They also provide improved steering response compared to standard all-season options. While they deliver sporty handling, they may sacrifice some tread life and off-road capability. Understanding your driving style and road conditions ensures the best balance between performance, comfort, and durability. Cold weather, comfort, and tread life. Cold weather performance favors all-season and winter tires. All-season tires remain flexible in cooler temperatures and handle light snow adequately, while winter tires excel in severe conditions. Performance tires, especially summer tires, harden in cold weather, significantly reducing traction and making them unsafe for icy roads. Comfort and noise considerations also play a role. All-season, touring, and high-performance all-season tires prioritize smooth rides and reduced cabin noise, while performance tires transmit more road feel and vibration to the cabin. Tread life and cost are additional factors. All-season and touring tires last longer and cost less over time, whereas performance tires wear faster and have higher upfront costs. Tire maintenance. Maintaining correct tire pressure ensures optimal contact with the road, improving fuel efficiency and braking performance. Regular tire rotation helps distribute wear evenly, preventing premature replacement. Proper wheel alignment keeps the vehicle tracking straight and reduces steering strain. Checking tread depth regularly is essential for maintaining traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Well-maintained tires provide better ride comfort and quieter operation. Consistent tire care also protects suspension components and saves money over time. Ultimately, good maintenance maximizes the performance benefits of any tire you choose. Invest in the right tires. Choosing the right tires is one of the most important decisions a driver can make, yet it is often overlooked. Tires are the only point of contact between your vehicle and the road, meaning every action, accelerating, braking, cornering, or stopping, depends on them. Selecting tires that match your driving habits, vehicle type, and climate ensures consistent performance in both everyday situations and unexpected emergencies. The right tires provide predictable handling, shorter stopping distances, and better stability, especially during sudden maneuvers. Modern tires are engineered with advanced tread patterns, rubber compounds, and internal structures designed to handle specific conditions. Off-road and performance tires further specialize in traction, durability, and handling. Understanding these differences helps drivers avoid compromises that can impact safety and comfort. Investing in quality tires also delivers long-term value. Properly matched tires wear more evenly, last longer, and improve fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance. They also minimize road noise and vibrations, creating a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience. When paired with regular maintenance, such as proper inflation and rotation, the benefits multiply over time. Why the right tires matter more than you think. Many drivers focus on engine power, technology, or design, but tires ultimately determine how effectively a vehicle performs. Even the most advanced safety systems rely on tire grip to function properly. Anti-lock brakes, traction control, and stability systems are only as effective as the tires beneath them. Poor tire choices can limit these systems and reduce overall vehicle safety. Climate plays a crucial role in tire selection. A tire that performs well in warm, dry conditions may become unsafe in cold or snowy weather. Matching tire type to local driving conditions ensures year-round confidence and control. In the end, tires are not just replaceable parts, they are a safety investment. Taking the time to understand tire types, performance characteristics, and maintenance requirements empowers drivers to make smarter decisions. With the right tires, every journey becomes safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable no matter where the road leads. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more expert automotive tips, tire guides, and car maintenance advice. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Drive safe and stay informed. Make smart choices, drive responsibly, and let the right tires support you on every mile of your journey.